So to create work planes, we can do it in a couple of ways. One of them is offset from plane. So when doing this, we just need to select either a face of one of the inside panels of the case, or even a divider or partition, or you can use any of the existing work planes that you have in the case. So for this example, I'm going to use the inside face of the case, and I'm just going to set this at 100 millimeters, and this has now given us a work plane that is 100 millimeters from the inside face of the case to the work plane. So then to use that work plane, if you were trying to add a partition in, we can select the material of the partition. We then select the work plane. That then places the partition on the work plane. If we want it to be either side, we can define which side of the work plane it goes, and then we can also edit by clicking on the top of the divide and then choosing another work plane for which we want that partition to snap to. Hit the green tick, and we have created a work plane and also applied a partition that is now locked and referenced that work plane. Into edit, I can click on the partition, change this size slightly, and I've moved the work plane, and so too has the partition also moved with the work plane.